Hello. Nandito kami sa aming cherry tree. As you can see, only the right side or the left side. Yes. Yes, only the left side has already the red.
Maybe I got you.
Okay, some are not yet. Some are still green. But here on the other side, it's already red, dark red. Some for tonight only. Good for today, tonight, consume only. So that's it. Over there. So ayan, kailangan ako magmask dahil may mga mahuhulog sila. And ito, okay na. Alitong cherry na to ay sobrang nakaka-alarma sa aking allergy. So it's not good. Good for vitamin C, but not good for my allergy. So we eat now. Naano sa hitis? Tabi. Mitsa! Layo na. Okay na siguro ni, pero gusto ko ka to. Sama na ko pagbut namian ko ani. Kani. Oh, baby pick. So, ito yung mga gusto ko. Balbangaan talaga. So, si Angela gusto mag-picking. Ito yung balbangaan. Ayoko yung dark kasi may uod na sila. May uod kasi. May uod kasi organic. Walang chemical. Walang halong chemical. Charot. So, pag ganito. Yes, it's too high. Pag ganito, walang uod kasi hindi sila sweet. Yes. So, hindi siya sweet kasi medyo sourly. Yung gusto ko. Tingnan nyo. Ito yung inaantay ko na balbangaan. So, may darating. So, ito yung mga gusto ko, guys. Malaki to at heart shapes. Ito, tingnan nyo. Heart yan. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, heart. At malaki. So, ayan. Ito yung bet ko kasi gusto ko sa cherry. Sour, hindi yung matamis lang na sus, kain pa tayo ng chocolate, matamis pa, sus. Maganon, tingnan nyo, sa sobrang sweets, guys, madaming ng mga, ano to mga, tingnan nyo, kaya ba sa aking lens? Ano ba yan, basta. So, here, on the other branch, sa other side, ito yung dark red na dyan. So, dito yung gusto ko, guys. Ayan, sus. Doon ko talaga to. Ito na. So, kuha tayo So, naglo-long sleeve kasi mayroon akong kontra may aning cherry. So, ayan. At ang dinala ko planggana, buhan to ako na nag-iitsa-itsa. So, ito na. Ayan. Okay. You pick. So we start picking. Sane. Ne. Give me taba. Put it inside. Reddish na. Some are dark. Already dark red. So, madami pa rin mga puti.
I like it, cherry.
You like it, cherry dosyo? Parang winter si Angela. Naka-dress, naka-ano ba? Ano ba to? Hindi ko alam yan. Ito na sila.
I got four. Mommy, waiting.
Yay! Okay, pula ko dosyo.
Right there.
Okay, mama get.
It's hanging.
So, ayan na siya. Sandal.
Mommy, it's right there.
Okay, Angela.
Wait.
Mhm.
Wait.
Fancy.
Wow, the grass.
Pazi dosho.
Mommy, wait, they're hanging.
Yes, it's hanging. Pazi, uchi. So, ayan. Maabot lang yan ni Angela. Ang left side, ang meron. Dito sa right side, it's still ganon. Green. Yes! Ah, two different sort. So, ayan na siya, guys. Angela's favorite.
Mommy,
Yan.
it's way there.
Over there. Okay, get it. Get those. Pazi ha, Uchi.
That's not.
Oh, mamitas kami. Good for tonight lang.
Right there.
Yeah.
Mommy, it's right there.
Da.
I'm hanging.
It's hanging a lot here. Oh, here.
What?
Pazi dosho, pazi. The red.
Okay.
Not the white. Bravo. Aside from cherry jam, I also bake cherry cake. So everything is cherry. So I tried it as long as it's season of cherry. So it needs to peel or pitted the cherry. So manually I pitted the cherry. And then you need to be sterilized the empty bottles to avoid molds. And it can be stored to your refrigerator for longer of time. So that's it.